to, in case the user want to track, but let's just jump to complete shipment. So from there, either you want to track it when it was added, when it was removed, so you can always use the shipment detail. So we have just 3 modal to go, 1, 2, and 3. So now let's go to this complete shipment. The same process applies. So in case you want to give it a try before you watch the video, you can do that. So you can just pause and see if you can just use the wireframe, see if you can try it. It's really go a long way. You can say, okay, let me just try this one all by myself. So the complete shipment is also the same thing. Just put in receiver ID, then put in the product ID, then click on complete shipment. Then you'll be good to go. So it's just like the same way with what we did. Same thing with what we did with start shipment. So if you click on it, if you pause the video now, you should be able to try to create that on your own. But if you cannot, then we can also still do that together. Yeah, you can pause it now if you want to pause it. Alright, I hope you are able to give it a try. But if you are not able to do that, that's fine. But if you are not, if you are struggling along the way, it's just telling you that you need to practice more. But if you practice more, then you'll be at the top of the game. So we can close this now. If we need it, we can always still create it. So I'll open the sidebar. Just to do that, you can just do this. Alright, now that we do that, now that we have that, to create the complete shipment model, so we do the same thing, like just like a repetition for us. So I'll just click on complete shipment model.jsx. So create an arrow function, complete shipment model. So export default. So you can just return the same process as what we have been following. Let's just say complete shipment. So once we have that, the next thing, we import it here. So we are trying to do it alphabetically. Complete shipments, import complete shipment model. Then we export it, save it. So once you save it, you come to your home page, you import it here. You can see the step there, literally the same, which you can also follow when you're doing yours too. So let me just add it here. Complete shipments. Let me just be sure it's working effectively before we build anything on it. You can see complete shipment model is working effectively. So now that I've been able to do that, you can guess the next thing. We go to the one we have already created already. The one we have created, so we just copy. I think we should do the start is closer to this. So I'll just copy this. You can even do it side by side to see. So there's no need to stress yourself too much. All you just need to do is just know what to change. Once you know what to change, then you should be good. You should be good. So now you have the complete shipment. So let's just say, so this should be this, and then this should be this. Based on what we have from there, you can go back to confirm. So this instead of starts to be complete, and these two instead of set starts, I can just copy this, and before the sets, this is what you use to replace that. Make sure that the C is capitality. If you can do that, then you are good. So I'll copy this, I'll replace it with this, then this also copy it, then I'll replace it with this when it is closed. This also, please make sure you change everything that you need to change, otherwise your application might be misbehaving. So do your diligence. You can always try to check it again, remembering to multiply by 2. So I can just change this to complete shipment. So So you can see, let's just be sure everything is good. So I'll just say complete. See how easy it is when you are doing it for the second time. So complete. So I will just now have the use state. So you can also copy it from here. Anywhere you have used it before. So since it's cleanse component, you should also do where to put it there. You should also do where to put it there. So, and don't forget to import your components too. They are very important. I think the component are just the same. Component are the same. So now that you have that, you can just create this shipment details, the details of the shipment. So just say, so it's like the same thing as what you are looking for here. It's just for you to say the receiver and also the ID. So they are the same. So I'll just say shipment details, receiver, and also the index. So with that, you can just say, this. So one last thing, we just create the complete function. Modal complete shipment. So just do the same thing, shipment completed, and then set it to none. So I'll just copy this function and put it in here. So if I save it, then I'll just go ahead to see. So if I say complete shipment, alright, so I need to bring up the model. Don't forget, when you come to your home page, for the services, you are opening the set start model. You should also add the complete start model. That should also be there. So you should just update it to be complete model. And see. Then you can just copy this and set it here. So it should be capital letter after the set. It should be capital letter. So because it should be true and false. So for the services, I'll just repeat it. So that button will trigger my complete model. So I'll just set complete model. This. So I need to go and receive it at the other side. Services components. So I'll just come in here. Set complete model. Then just like what I'm doing here, I just copy this and then do it here. Just put it on the subject. So if you leave it like this, it will only be opening the start model. So you need to update it. As I said, that when you copy, you must pay attention to it appropriately. So if you save it now, complete shipment is still not opening. And because if you come back to your own page, if you see the complete shipment, we are not passing anything to it like we are doing for this. So we need to do that. So I'll just duplicate what I have here, put it here, but I need to change it to its own, otherwise it just starts misbehaving. So complete model, and I copy this again, put it here, put it here. So if I save, let's see if it will work according to how we want. You can see, so complete, close it, complete, put the receiver, let me just put the receiver, shipment ID, let me say 2, let me say 1, then I say complete, so it will. So if I check the modal now, so if I check the console, you will see that you can say shipment completed, and I can see the index, and I can see the receiver. That should be sent to the blockchain for appropriate execution using our smart contract. So we are done with that particular modal.